found a very acute pain point for buyers and a very strong value proposition for sellers. So the value prop for buyers is that we help them solve the subscription sprawl problem. Businesses have too many subscriptions today, and over time they lose track of what they're paying for. So you start a free trial, if you forget to cancel it, 1 year later you're still paying for it. You have unused subscriptions, an employee leaves, you don't know how to cancel their subscriptions. Most people don't know in the company what everybody else has. So there's a lot of wastage. So we solve that problem by consolidating everything in one place. So we save companies a lot of time, a lot of money. Almost every company I speak to, the moment I say that's what we do, they say, oh my God, I've had so many issues with my subscription payments. And you solve all of those issues. So it's brilliant. On the seller side, SaaS is now obviously so popular and so competitive that every SaaS company, the largest to the smallest, is now challenged with new user acquisition, right? So they're all looking for new user acquisition channels. Some of them have never done indirect channels. They all do direct sales and direct marketing. We're an indirect channel where we bring the customers to the SaaS vendor. So many companies have already realized that, and they get a lot of revenue from indirect channels. And usually there's already a person designated for that role. And I met many of them here, which is great. So there's one person to talk to. The other companies that are still kind of formulating their channel and indirect user acquisition plans, but nobody's not thinking about it, right? So for all of them, we are a great channel. And because we have very good data on every company that is buying subscriptions, we can be the ideal matchmaker for businesses, for SaaS vendors, and for buyers. We can match them up very, very well. That no other company can do, by the way. So we're a very unique model, and our vision is to be the world's largest single hub, where businesses come to manage and buy their subscriptions, and SaaS vendors come, and for them will be a predominant user acquisition channel. Not the only one, but a predominant one. So the example would be in Amazon, where people who make physical products can plug into Amazon and get immediate access to millions of customers. And then customers go there because they get really good prices, they get very efficient, fulfillment. So it becomes a central hub with very strong network effects. So that's really what we are creating.